In Green v. Bock Laundry Machine Company, the United States Supreme Court parsed a bit of ambiguous language in the Federal Rules of Civil Procedure. Paul Green was spending some time in prison after he was convicted of the felonies of conspiracy to commit burglary and of burglary itself. While in custody, he took on a work release job at a car wash. On his sixth day of work, Green reached into a dryer to stop the drum from turning. The drum ripped his arm off. Green brought a product liability action in federal district court against Bock Laundry Machine Company, the manufacturer of the dryer. At trial, to impeach Green's credibility, Bock introduced evidence that Green had been convicted of 2 felonies. Green filed a pretrial motion to suppress this evidence on the grounds that it was unfairly prejudicial, but the court permitted Bock to present it. The jury returned a verdict for Bock. The Third Circuit affirmed, holding that Federal Rule of Evidence 609 required a court to admit a civil plaintiff's prior felony convictions for impeachment purposes. The only time the judge could assess whether probativeness outweighed prejudice was when admission would unduly prejudice the defendant in a criminal case. The court admitted that this might produce some bizarre results. The Supreme Court granted cert to address widespread dissatisfaction with Rule 609 and to clarify what Congress intended.